How to blur face in PicsArt. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, first of all, make sure that you have installed and download the application on your device. So let's check if there are any updates available for it. Now, as you can see, it is already updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm going to tap and open and it will lead me to the home page. Now here I've already chosen a picture for me to edit and blur the face on. You can choose any of your picture. Then what you need to do is just tap on the effect icon at the bottom of the toolbar. Then as you tap on effect, you can see these option of blur over here. So just tap on blur, then swipe it until you find the option of motion blur. Now as you tap on motion blur, tap on the adjust option over here and make sure that your fade option is maintained to 10, and then tap on the eraser button at the top of the screen, then tap on invert, then tap on restore. And what you need to do is just, as you want to blur the face, you just have to swipe it out the face section. And you can do it until you find it okay and you're comfortable and you're ready. After that, tap on save, and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.